Enemy means someone who is against you or your interests. 1. In the video game, you have to defeat the enemy to win. 2. They used to be friends, but now they consider each other enemies. Essential means something that is really needed. Example 1. Sleep is essential for good health. 2. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining energy throughout the day. Exist means to be real or to be present in the world. 1. Many species of animals exist in the rainforest. 2. Do aliens exist in outer space? Familiar means something or someone recognized or known. Example 1. The song sounded familiar to me. I think I've heard it before. 2. She felt familiar with the neighborhood after living there for several years. Gift. Gift means something given to someone as a present. Example 1. She received a beautiful necklace as a gift for her birthday. 2. He gave his friend a book as a gift for Christmas. Grab. Grab means to take something quickly. Example 1. She grabbed her keys before leaving the house. 2. He grabbed the last slice of pizza from the box. Improve. Improve means to make something better or enhance its quality. Example 1. She practices the piano every day to improve her skills. 2. Adding more vegetables to your diet can improve your overall health. Indeed. Indeed means truly or certainly. Example: it is a sunny day today. Indeed. 2. She was indeed the last player on the team. Introduce means to make someone or something known for the first time. Example 1. Let me introduce you to my friend Sarah. 2. The teacher will introduce a new topic in class today. Motion means the act of moving or a change in position. Example: the car was in motion as it traveled down the road. 2. She made a motion with her hand to signal for him to come over. Option means a choice or alternative. Example 1. We have the option to stay home or go out tonight. 2. The menu offers several vegetarian options. Progress means moving forward or improving in something. Example 1. She made progress in learning to play the piano. 2. The construction of the new building is showing steady progress.